Boosting your internet speed. Unveiling common culprits behind home network slowdowns. In today's digital age, a sluggish internet connection can be a frustrating roadblock to productivity and leisure. Often, the culprits responsible for slowing down the internet might be closer to home than you think. In this article, we uncover common reasons behind home network slowdowns and provide practical solutions to ensure a smoother online experience. Identifying home network slowdown culprits. Suboptimal router placement. The positioning of your router significantly impacts signal strength. Placing it in a corner or behind obstacles can weaken signals and slower speeds. Device overload. Connecting numerous devices simultaneously strains the network's bandwidth, reducing internet speeds for all connected devices. Outdated router firmware. Neglecting router firmware updates can lead to compatibility issues and reduced performance, hindering your connection speed. Unresolved viruses and malware. Viruses and malware can hog network resources and slow down your device and the entire network. Enhancing your home network experience. Strategic router placement. Position your router centrally, away from obstructions, walls, and interference sources like cordless phones and microwave ovens. Device management. Limit the number of devices connected simultaneously, prioritizing essential ones to ensure each device receives optimal bandwidth. Regular router updates. Stay updated with the latest firmware releases for your router to ensure compatibility, security, and improved performance. Antivirus and malware scans. Regularly scan your devices for viruses and malware, ensuring they don't consume network resources. Streamlining browser tabs and apps. Keeping an excessive number of tabs and apps open consumes memory and slows down both the device and the network. Overcoming home network slowdowns. Bandwidth optimization. Employ quality of service (QoS) settings on your router to prioritize specific devices or applications, ensuring critical tasks receive ample bandwidth. Consider wired connections. For devices that require consistent high-speed connections, consider using Ethernet cables instead of relying solely on Wi-Fi. Upgrade your router. If your router is outdated or lacks the latest technology, upgrading to a more advanced model can significantly improve network speeds. Preventing future slowdowns. Regular maintenance. Schedule routine router maintenance, including firmware updates, to prevent performance bottlenecks. Educate users. Educate all household members about the impact of multiple devices on network speed, fostering responsible device usage. Conclusion. A faster and more reliable home network. A sluggish home network doesn't have to be an accepted inconvenience. By understanding and addressing common culprits behind slowdowns, you can take control of your internet speed and enjoy a seamless online experience. With strategic router placement, device management, timely updates, and conscious browsing habits, you'll be on your way to a faster, more efficient home network that supports your digital endeavors.